Welcome to the newest plushes that are in the season. I am Gargantuan. Nice to meet you. I'll be in some episodes. I am Pelly, and I am a boy, just so you know. And I'm usually going to be in some videos with Gargantuan. So, hello, I am Gobbles. I am a turkey by the tail and my gobbler. And I'll be in some episodes with like Rainbow and some unknown people you'll see in this video, like Tie-Dye. Hello, I am Pengy. I am a puffin, just so you know. I'm a puffin, not a just a regular penguin. And I'll be in some episodes with Gobbles, Gargantuan, Pelly, and some unknown person you'll see next. Hello, I am Tie-Dye, and I am a rainbow cockatoo, and yeah, that's it. Hello, I am Quack, and I usually quack whenever I walk. Quack, 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 quack. Hello, I am Hummer. I am a hummingbird, and I have a really cool beak. Well, that's the video. Just showing all of us. Yeah. Goodbye.